Hi, my name is Don, and I'm the founder of AceRocket. We are building an AI-powered learning platform to help high school students make the best use of their time when preparing for math exams like the SAT, ACT, and the AP Calculus, and to boost their scores. Our system creates smart, personalized study plans that adapt to each student's strengths and weakness, helping them close gaps effectively and efficiently. With daily bite-sized practice and instant feedback, AceRocket turns test prep from overwhelming to clean and motivating. I left my big tech job because I believe students deserve personalized, effective learning tools that truly help them to improve. AceRocket is not just another study tool. It's your personal rocket to higher scores and a better learning journey. Thank you.